Hey guys, just jumping right into this. I am super excited. This is my first wash day video since being back, but also since having starter locks, so I'm really hype. As you can see, I am using my Dr. Bronner's Peppermint soap, and I typically love the peppermint feel. I love the cooling aspect on my scalp. I love that tingly feeling. It is my personal choice to use this. But I'm really loving how it makes my hair and my scalp feel. And I went ahead and I washed my hair 2 times just to make sure any product buildup, any impurities were all gone. You can also see I'm using my scalp massager. I definitely love using this. If you don't have one, I definitely recommend it. It saves time, especially if you have little snags in your nails and you don't want your hair to be ripped or pulled on. Get you a scalp massager and it just feels good. It just feels great. So yeah, just continuing to rinse out the soap and then do a second round of washing my hair with the Dr. Bronner's shampoo or soap, sorry. And I really just love the way the shampoo feels on my scalp. It doesn't feel heavy. It doesn't feel as if it's burning my scalp. So if you've never tried the peppermint, I definitely highly recommend using or trying this soap out. Alrighty, so now that I have finished washing my hair, my next step is to grab my towel and to just make sure that all of my locks are fully inside that t-shirt. Well, not towel, I meant t-shirt, guys. Sorry about that. I recommend using t-shirts to prevent any additional frizz. Alrighty, so now that I have fully gotten myself together from being out the shower, it is time to style my locks. And I am so loving the frizz. I am embracing this frizz. I'm so eager for it to start budding already. I'm just loving it. Like, everything about this journey so far has been so amazing, so I'm excited. I have my spray bottle, and inside the spray bottle I have aloe vera juice, water, and I have a few of my favorite oils. Or actually no, I think I just added 1 oil. I'm trying to remember what I did. I'll make sure to do another video on this, but I feel like I just added 1 oil. But anyway, I am just spraying this to my hair to add some moisture to it, to get my locks going and making sure that every area is fully moisturized. Next, I am using my Macadamia Natural Healing Oil Spray. This stuff smells so good, so I especially am so happy that I have this to be spraying in my hair, because I'm still trying to figure out the best products that I want to use, since I am cutting back on a lot of products that I've been using as a loose natural. Now, this oil right here, this is my Silkk Healthy Hair Oil. It is an oat and honey. This is my gem right here. It has such an amazing smell. It helps my hair to grow. It keeps it moisturized. So I am really hyped with this whole lock journey, because I know that this product right here is going to be fully incorporated at every step of the way. So after I finish adding all my products, I like to go ahead and let my hair air dry for a bit. And I like to section it off into 3 sections just so it's a bit more manageable. Now that it is fully dry, it is time to style. So as far as styling is concerned, I obviously cannot do too much right now, but I have just been loving the hell out of this like half up, half down updo situation, and having 2 or 3 of my locks in the front just hanging, looking mad cute. So I just love where I'm at right now with this style, and this has been my go-to. I suggest fully, if you're starting your lock journey, it's going to be hard and you may be eager to try new styles, or you may not be able to do the styles that you want to do right away. But I say stick to it, find something of comfort so that your hair is just being super chill but doing its own thing to lock up and you're not stressed. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely look forward to doing more videos, especially with my lock journey. So definitely stay tuned, guys.